Hello viewers, once again we have this problem on the board. Let's solve it. This problem is a surd problem. So it says that we should simplify 5 root 12 minus 4 root 75 minus 3 root 48. Now, in solving this problem, first of all, let's look at the numbers in the root. We'll break down these numbers in the root, in which one of the number will be a perfect square. And what is a perfect square? A perfect square is that number in which its root is a whole number. So we'll break down this in order to get a perfect square as part of the values under the root. All right, solution. Okay, we have 5 root 12 minus 4 root 75 minus 3 root 48. Now to break this down, we have 5, two numbers that can multiply to in order to get 12, in which one of the numbers will be a perfect square, is a perfect square. So we have 4 times 3. Because 4 is a perfect square, so we can use 4 times 3 in order to get 12. We can't use 6 times 2 because 6 is not a perfect square. When you look for the square root of 6, you're not going to get a whole number. But when you look for the square root of 4, it's going to give you a whole number. So that's what we're going to do here. So we have square root of 4 times 3 minus 4 root, two numbers that we can multiply to get 75, in which one of them is a perfect square, is we have 25 times 3. Because 25 is a perfect square, so we have 25 times 3 minus 3 root, here we're going to have 16 times 3 will give us 48, so we have 16 times 3. Now we can break this down. So this is the same as 5 root 4 times root 3 minus 4 root 25 times root 3 minus 3 root 16 times root 3. We can go further here. So we have the root of 4 is 2. So this is 5 times 2 root 3 minus root 25 is 5. So we have 4 times 5 root 3 minus root 16 is 4. So we have 3 times 4 root 3. Okay, since we have this, so 5 times 2 is going to give us 10 root 3 minus 4 times 5 is 20, that is minus 20 root 3 minus 12. 3 times 4 is 12, so we have 12 root 3. So here we can now subtract. Since the value on the root is the same, we can subtract. So 10 minus this is going to give us minus 20 root 3. Minus 20 root 3 minus 12. Okay, 10 root 3 minus 20 root 3 is going to give us minus 10 root 3. Then minus 10 root 3 minus this will give us, this is going to be minus 22 root 3. This is our final answer. So thank you for watching.